Today, the fact that we are able to drive, travel, light our homes, work, and many other things besides is because of energy. And this energy is scarce and precious. Obviously, for the sake of the planet, ideally we want to produce renewable energy, such as energy generated from wind, sun, water, and biomass. But the problem with some renewable energy sources is that they are weather dependent. If there's no wind or too much clouds, we quickly have to compensate for the dip in energy generation. And we are able to do that. Conversely, when there is a lot of wind or sun for a few days, this may lead to a local surplus in the electrical energy generated. Currently, this surplus generation sadly goes to waste. Why? Because we're not able to store the electricity in very large quantities so that we can use it later or when we need it. But there is a solution, and this solution is gas. Why gas? Simply because in addition to all its other qualities, gas is much easier to store. Okay, but how do we convert this electrical energy into gas? Through electrolysis. This works by passing the surplus electricity through water. The electrical current breaks apart the water molecules, separating the oxygen from the hydrogen. The resulting hydrogen can be fed directly into the gas network, where it mixes easily with natural gas. And it's this transformation of electrical current into gas that we call power to gas. We already have surplus energy in our electricity networks, and in the next 30 years, France is set to continue developing renewable electricity sources to achieve energy transition. So there will be surpluses of maybe as much as tens of terawatt-hour. That's the equivalent of the annual production of several nuclear power stations. This surplus will have to be stored somewhere. And to store it, we will be able to convert it using small power-to-gas installations around the country. And we can do more. By combining the hydrogen with CO2 to make synthetic methane. This is called methanation. Imagine a factory emitting smoke containing CO2. By collecting this CO2, we can convert it into methane. The methane is fed into the natural gas system to which the factory is connected. And hey, we create a circuit that recycles CO2. And all this by using a gas network that already exists and is ready and waiting to receive all that energy. Power to gas is therefore the link that will connect the gas and electricity networks together to store energy and achieve energy transition.